Just doing a little lint rolling here. Sometimes when the distributors ship black and white garments, you get a real linty black hoodie, and that's not a good recipe for a good print, not a good recipe for a good review. We like everything around here minty fresh, you feel me? So in this video, we are going to look at a made in USA oversized hoodie, heavyweight. I believe this is almost 17 ounces. This comes from the BAYSIDE mill. BAYSIDE is a made in US manufacturer. They have a great option of union made products, heavyweight products. They're trying now to get a little bit more into the branded market, so they're introducing some newer products. This comes without drawstrings, similar to other hoodies we've reviewed in the past. A lot of distributors are trying to get rid of the drawstrings and get on more of a trendier pick. Nice heavyweight, good cuffs, good ribbing, kangaroo pouch, you know, very standard. It does have a bit more of a rough texture to it. It's definitely not as soft on the external side of it, but super plushy on the inside. It is an oversized fit, so, you know, definitely looser than a standard hoodie. I love it. I think they're a great option. They do come at a kind of a higher price point. They're more expensive than most lengths out there. I think they're in that like $50 range, but what you're paying for, made in US, fast, easy. If you have an account with companies like SNS or Alpha Broder, you could just order a few pieces at a time. You don't need to commit to a crazy amount of them, and you could use their free shipping incentives. If you have any other questions about other garments, please let us know. At Mint Prints, we have a full production house built around brands like yours to help put out the best work possible in a fun, cool, creative environment. Happy to be here. Happy to be learning and growing with you guys. We're here to serve you.